Nakshatra presenting. Hola everyone! Hey yeah! You are tuned in to Treasure Talks with Nakshatra, Doctor's Day special segment. 1st July is marked as Doctor's Day to celebrate the efforts and hard work of doctors. And here we are celebrating this amazing day with our special guest, a multi-talented person and a multitasker superwoman. Welcome Dr. Shobna ji in Treasure Talks with Nakshatra.
Hi Nakshatra, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
First of all, Dr. Shobna, wishing you a very happy Doctor's Day. Our first question is, Dr. Shobna, did you wanted to become a doctor since childhood? If yes, then how did you got inspired to become a medical professional?
Yes, I always wanted to be creative in my life. During my childhood, I have always wondered about how the doctor would give us a medicine so accurate that I was cured the very next day. It always ate me up inside out of curiosity. And I found this medical profession very fascinating. So I joined MBBS, and during my MBBS, I found the eyes so beautiful and full of knowledge. And I chose ophthalmology as my profession. And during my ophthalmology PG and my practice, I discovered that the eyes are the soul of a person.
Very nice, beautifully described. Eyes are the windows to the soul. Doctor, we would like to know how you were handling and treating your patients during this lockdown period. As we all know, it's kinda hard dealing with your patients during this pandemic.
Yes, a little more difficult for us as ophthalmologists because we examine them very closely. Maximum patients are very cooperative and helpful, except a few ones because they don't believe in wearing masks and taking precautions. So I have to explain them the importance of masks and taking precautions. We take care of protecting ourselves by wearing PPE kits, gown, masks, gloves, protecting goggles and shields, and simultaneously have to take care of patients. Also, we do regular sanitizing our clinic and instruments and all the premises. This is how we protect ourselves and take care of our patients and their relatives and my staff.
Aha, that's very good. You are taking very fine care of your patients as well as yourself. We all know very well, doctors have a very busy life, and especially when it's someone like you who is balancing between professional and personal life at the same time. Still, whenever you get free from the clinic, what do you like doing in your spare time?
Yes, I love to spend my extra time by doing my paintings, doing gardening and reading books. And I always carry a book in my purse. And lately I found myself writing poems too.
Wow, you have cool hobbies, and it's great to know that you are a poetess too. But well, we have a question here. How did you develop your interest in poetry? I mean, it's totally different from your field.
Down the memory lane, 3 years back, one day I was thinking that what am I doing in my life and what do I actually want? So I started writing and penned down all my feelings on a paper, and it turned out to be a poem. Since then I have started writing poems, and they are more of feelings of a woman and how, why and what they wanted to do in their life.
And we would love to hear your poem as you are doctor by profession and a poetess by passion, right? So if you were not a doctor, what would be your second career choice?
I would want to be a painting artist or an architect, and I still am living partially as an artist, pursuing my dreams.
That's really beautiful. Doctor, We are living with Corona now, and we believe that doctors are equal to God, and you all are still serving us in these hard times. I would like to know your views, your experience on how you people actually feel like being in a medical profession and still continuing your service in this pandemic.
It gives a great feeling of serving people in this pandemic, though it's a risky sometimes, but again it's a risk worth taking. Every day I get up and join my duty, join my work with immense enthusiasm. We are lucky to be chosen by God to serve people, and especially when they get healed and thanks us.
Yes, it must have been a very good feeling. And as I said, we would love to hear a poem penned by you.
हम हैं डॉक्टर, निभाते हैं जिम्मेदारियाँ, नहीं है गैर जिम्मेदार। कभी डरते, कभी मुस्कुराते, जीते हैं अपना किरदार। नहीं घबराते कोरोना से, जान पर है खेल जाते, मरीजों और परिवार में हरदम है तालमेल बैठाते। खुशकिस्मती है कि चुने गए हैं लाखों में, करते हैं इलाज, रखते हैं शिफा हाथों में। झलकती है कृतज्ञता और चमकते हैं उनके नयन, पूरी होती है हमारी प्रतिज्ञा, मिल जाता है हमें इनाम। हम हैं डॉक्टर।
Amazing poem and very true lines. Very well said.
Yes, Nakshatra, I'm very glad that you have invited me for this show. I'm so impressed by you. You're so young, so talented, and your voice is so melodious. I wish you all the best for your future. Thanks again, Nakshatra.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shobna ji, for joining us in Treasure Talks with Nakshatra. It was lovely talking to you in this segment. Hey dear doctors, thank you so much for always treating your patients with so much enthusiasm and patience. We know there's always someone waiting for you way back to your home. But you care for your patients just like a mother cares for her child. Wishing a very happy Doctor's Day to you all dedicated doctors out there. Stay tuned into Treasure Talks with Nakshatra.